morning, Bears. I'm Annelise. Welcome back to BTV. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, and due to great demand, the class of 2025 senior shirt sale is extended until Friday. If you still want to showcase your school spirit, go to room C130 or C206 to buy one for $20 cash. Let's begin with a shout out to our Brennan Swim team in placing first at the Last Chance TISCA meet at the Northside Swim Center this past Saturday. Keep on swimming, Bears. Once more, congrats to our Bears football team in closing out with the regular season with a 60-0 win last Friday against Warren. Malik White scored 6 touchdowns while Tristan Escobar scored once, but the Bears defense also got on the scoreboard with 2 safeties. Check out highlights on X, YouTube, and Instagram. And are you ready for some playoffs? Get out and cheer our district champs when they take on Reagan for the bi-district playoff game, a rematch at Ferry Stadium at 7:30 p.m. this Friday. BFND Bears. Let's also wish our Lady Bears basketball team well as they continue non-district play against Piper and other teams at the Floresville Jaguar Classic tomorrow through Saturday. BFND ladies. Our Bears basketball team also continue non-district play against Dynamic Prep on Saturday at the Colony High School at 6 p.m. BFND Bears. Our Brennan Bowling teams started off this season on a high note with our Brennan Bears picking up a 17-0 shutout against Holmes, while our Lady Bears took care of business with a 61 victory. Caitlin Toney, Emily Flores, and Alana Flores, currently in the top 8 for our high average in district, led Lady Bears with their dominant bowling. While the Bears were solid across with board, Caleb Hernandez led the charge with the high average for the team. Up next is a district matchup against Health Careers, BFND Bears bowling. Once more, if you're interested in Bears soccer, there will be a mandatory tryouts meeting in E205 next Tuesday. If you have any questions, see Coach Sailors in E205 or email him at colinsailors@nisd.net. Brennan Advanced Academics is holding a dual credit night tonight at 6:30 p.m. in the Brennan Library. Come get valuable information in preparation for applying to the dual credit program at Brennan High School for 2025 through 2026 school year. Bears who are interested in Brennan's dual credit program or attending a Texas college or university after graduation will need to meet TSI testing requirements. If interested, the exam is Saturday, 7:45 a.m. in the library. The cost is $14 and registration is online at My School Books. If you have any questions, email sharon.rodriguez@nisd.net. And remember, seniors, Friday is the deadline for Jack C. Jordan Scholarship. For information, visit the Career Center or email brennanptsa@gmail.com before it's too late. Vista will visit eco and government classes to assist students in applying for admissions. Students wishing to apply to one of the Alamo colleges will need to fill out the Google form. Scan this code or ask your teachers for the form. Also, plan on attending Northside's annual college night on Monday from 6:40 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. at the Northside Activity Center, located at 7001 Culebra Road. Register using the QR code on the flyer to begin making college contacts. It's never too early to prep for the spring STAAR EOC. You can prepare for the test with an accelerated instructional session this Saturday from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. There's also one last session on December 7th. Take advantage. The PTSA-sponsored Fall Festival is this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Brennan will host multiple vendors inside the cafeteria and food trucks outside the school. Scan the QR code on the flyer to see the vendors. Tomorrow, join the Mock Trial Club to learn about the judicial system and acquire valuable team skills. Meeting is after school in E127. Here's a shout out to Debate Coach Teresa Haby and our Brennan Debaters for getting into regionals last week. Sofia Guerrero and Isaiah Hernandez broke to the finals, placing 17th and 18th. Way to keep evolving, debate team. Next Thursday will be the last opportunity for underclassmen yearbook photos. Live Touch will be on campus all day beginning at 8 a.m. ending at 5 p.m. Bears can take their photos before school, during lunch, or after school, and please dress appropriately. Finally, District Champs playoff shirts for our Bears football team are available to buy on the Brennan Booster Club website at brennanboosterstore.com. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Annelise, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and evolve every day. And tomorrow, it's Uriah's birthday. He's one of our BTV anchors.